Hello, hackers, and welcome to HackUPC 2026.
We're so excited to have you all here, and I'm seeing so much familiar faces. My name is Maria Farello, and she's Maria Gil, and we are the Marias, and we're basically the directors of this year's HackUPC.
We have seen grow HackUPC for 10 years already. We're very glad to have seen that. It's our 12th edition, and we hope you really enjoy it.
As you may already know, we are a very big hackathon. This year, we have 700 hackers, and all of them are from different countries. We have 30 different countries and 200 universities. But that's not the really most interesting part of it. So we have broken our record this year of 1,800 applications. So if you're here, you have to know that you're one of the best participants that we could have. And also, epa. We're going to play a little game, okay? We're going to announce the top 3 countries with more applications and participants in HackUPC. If you are from one of these countries, we want you to make some noise. So, whoops, this phone please. In our top 3 country with the most participants in HackUPC, we have Serbia. Okay. That's really nice, but we have 2 other countries. So, if you are from this country, make some noise.
Es a spoiler. Good enough.
Okay. That's really nice, but I think that most of us will know what's the country that is going to have more participants in HackUPC. So if you are a local, please make some noise.
We're seeing some familiar faces and some new ones. So the ones who are new to this hackathon, we really hope you enjoy your first edition.
Yeah. And of course, we want to thank all of our sponsors, mentors, organizers, and everyone that has helped us to go through this hackathon. We've been working in this hackathon really hard from 1 year, so we hope that you really enjoyed it as much as we have enjoyed it organizing it. So, of course, we would like to start with our sponsors and our partners, because without them, we wouldn't have been able to do any of this. So please welcome to the stage the Dean of our university, the Faculty of the Informatics of Barcelona, Ana Rio.
Tens el faristol preparat.
Sí.
This is the best edition of history, right? So, good evening, everyone. It's really an honor and a pleasure to be here again. I was here last year to welcome you all to this new edition, and it makes me very happy. Last year, it was my first time opening this event, and I was really amazed. I couldn't believe what happens here in these days. This year, maybe I feel less surprised. I already expected you all here. But certainly, I am more proud of having you here. So it makes us really happy, and because this is the most exciting hackathon in Europe. No? Yeah? Okay. if you are not convinced now, I'm completely sure that by Sunday you all agree on that. So I will wait to have reason on that. So on behalf of the FIP, the Barcelona School of Informatics at the UPC, I want to extend their welcome, so a warm welcome to all participants from these 3 countries and many more. Also to mentors, organizers, sponsors, thank you, and volunteers. Each and every one of you plays a key role in making this event a reality, and the success that is been going on year after year. And we expect every year more and best, and we have it. So thank you for your contribution. Hackathons like this one, I think they are powerful engines of innovation, because in just 36 hours, you will imagine, design, build, and you will do everything to build solutions to very difficult changes that the companies are going to to present, but I'm sure they are going to be difficult and you are going to succeed. This weekend is also a unique opportunity to experiment freely, to explore ideas. Your ideas are valuable, so explore all of them. And please connect with people from all over the world. You are all here, and you have to take this chance to connect with as many people as possible. As a public and international university, UPC stands for excellence, openness, diversity, and curiosity, and all of this is represented here. We believe in international networks, so you have to get to know people from different places and build a lasting network, make this last for as many times as possible. And this is all. I encourage you, make the most of these days. Ask questions, build things, take risks, have fun, learn, hack, but above all, please enjoy the experience. This is the most important thing. And I'm finished now, so I want to sincerely thank the organizing team, the 2 Marias and many more, because this is an exceptional work you make here, and making this real. Today, we feel that the job is done, but we all know that it takes an incredible amount of time and dedication, and we are very grateful for this effort. So good luck to everyone, to locals, to students of my school, but to everyone. Good luck and happy weekend, happy hacking. Thank you.
Thank you for your words, Anna. Now we want to welcome the other school in our university where you'll see the campus. It's the Barcelona School of Telecom Engineering, and the director, and also in representation of the UPC, is Alba Pagès. Welcome to the... Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, everyone, especially those who come from abroad. I hope you enjoy our St. George Day yesterday, and you can feel the power of other technologies like books and rose flowers, which is culture and love. So first of all, I would like to give a very warm welcome to the Dean of the Barcelona School of Informatics. It's a pleasure to share this stage with you. And I also have to start with an apology of our Vice Rector for Digital Strategy, Professor Agustín Fernández. He was very much looking forward to being here with you today, but unfortunately, due to unexpected personal reasons, he couldn't make it. He sends his best wishes anyway. And so here I am, right? I'm here today, I'm wearing 2 hats, or two pins, right? Two pins. One as the delegate of the rector of the UPC, and another as the dean of the, or director of the Telecom Engineering School. And as a sponsors and as a university, we wouldn't miss this HackUPC for the world. What you have achieved over the last 10 years, but 12 editions, right? Okay, with HackUPC is simply extraordinary, right? When we look at the logistics, the level of talent, the creativity that happens here over 36 hours, it fills the entire university community with joy and pride. Right? At UPC, we are incredibly proud of this event. UPC has supported you from the beginning, and seeing how this hackathon has grown to become one of the most important student-led technological events in Europe is truly, simply outstanding. Now, I will be completely honest, because I have to confess something. I feel I'm jealous, simply jealous, because, but it's a healthy envy. I would have loved so much to have this experience when I was a student. Back then, when we were studying Anna, things, let's say, were a bit more formal. The opportunity you take, so please embrace this opportunity that you have here to work in multidisciplinary international teams, solving real problems in real time. This is priceless. In fact, as a dean, I'm always figuring out how to copy or get inspired by this HackUPC magic and bring it to our classrooms. I have a lot of homework to do because I couldn't manage to do it so far, so this is very good for us as well. But I also would like to have some homework for the organizers for the future. So now that HackUPC is, let's say, 10, 12 years old, in human terms, this is a preteen, right? So you have mastered the basics, you have built a reputation, and you are comfortable. There's a famous quote by John Davidson Rockefeller that I think fits this moment perfectly. And someone told me last week this sentence, and I'm going to write my speech with around this sentence. And it says like this: don't be afraid to give up the good, to go for the great. So this is a challenge for all of us, as individuals and as a collectivity. To achieve extraordinary results, we must step out of our comfort zones and we must take risks. Growth is not just about getting bigger, but it's about evolving. So as HackUPC enters in its second decade, right, I want to challenge the organizers and participants to think bigger, not in terms of numbers, but in terms of impact. Ask yourselves, how can UPC evolve to contribute to make the world a safer and better place? What cooperative models can we create or invent here that include people instead of excluding them? What challenges can be set that don't just show off technical skills, but actually inspire us to grow as a society? So you are now, let's say, 12 years old. You've still got 6-8 years until you are officially an adult. And as an event, I encourage you to start thinking about this legacy. But all this has to do with the future, right? For today and for this weekend, your mission is different. This weekend is about learning, exploring, and also it's about those brainstorms where the best and sometimes the craziest or the weirdest ideas are born. And it's about the joy of seeing your code finally run after hours of debugging. So enjoy every second, build something you are proud of, make friends from all around the globe, and long live HackUPC, and let the hacking begin.
Thank you very much, Alba, for your words. After thanking the schools, we also want to give the opportunity of each sponsor, obviously, to come on stage and talk about their challenge. So we're going to start firstly with a global leader in warehouse automation and logistics solutions. Mekalux, please welcome to the stage.
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Daniel, and I'm a software engineer at Megalux. We are a world-leading company in intralogistics technology. While most people think logistics is just about shipping boxes, we focus on designing industrial racks, massive automatic systems, and entire warehouses. Born right here over 60 years ago in Barcelona, we started building our iconic blue and orange racks, but we have grown to become a much larger company. Innovation has been our key to success, and right now we build entire ecosystems. We are present in more than 70 countries. We have 12 production centers and many, many offices all around the world. This means that the code we write here in Barcelona affects all around the world. We also have 7 research and development centers and cooperate with top-tier universities, like the MIT, where we co-founded the Center for Transportation and Logistics, where we develop in AI applied to logistics. Moreover, we cooperate with the UPC, where we research about material science, industrial engineering, and of course, combinatorial optimization in informatics. I personally work at the software engineering department, where we develop the tools the internal tools that are used by our engineering teams. We have a 3D team that designs the tools used by our engineers to validate the structures. A C++ team that crafts all the high-performance simulations. And of course, a web team that helps to design the complex process that happens in the warehouses. And of course, a backend and DevOps teams that help our engineering teams to keep moving. Finally, our challenge, the Warehouse Optimizer, which it's aiming for you to develop strategies to design warehouses to place these structures. So thank you very much, and have a good hugging.
Espera, t'anunciarà.
So, in order to introduce the next sponsor, we need a little bit of silence, guys. Thank you so much. So, thank you so much, Mekalux. And now, introducing Tether, which is a company that is known for building peer-to-peer applications. Welcome to the stage, Piers.
Well, hi, everyone, and welcome to Barcelona. My name is Alberto Valero, and I'm the tech expansion lead at Tether, the company behind Pairs. I don't know how many of you know Tether, but we are a global company working on many different things. We redefine the world of finance, empowering millions and millions of users that were not attractive enough for the big banks and big financial services. And we're now on our journey to do the same with the entire internet, with artificial intelligence, and with many other products. So today we're bringing you a challenge and an introduction to Pairs, our peer-to-peer platform. Our mission, as I said, is rebuild the internet. The internet was born as a peer-to-peer system. And I know I'm going to regret this question because I see, I thought I was young, but I see many of you. So how many of you know BitTorrent or have used BitTorrent? Okay, that's pretty good. I'm a little bit relieved now. BitTorrent, as you all know, is a peer-to-peer system, but people use it for, well, you know, you use it for whatever you want. The idea of BitTorrent is great, but the problem is that people don't make a lot of money with BitTorrent. And then, since the years 2000, 2000-something, we all know how some very big companies became not only big, but huge. And they did that by controlling how we send data, how we talk to our families, how everything we do in the internet. So we're here to rebuild the internet, to remove that middleman. We don't want to be the middleman, I can assure you. We want peers to talk to peers, peers to send files to peers, and that's where we're building this technology. The technology brings a lot of benefits. There's no single point failure, no bottlenecks. It's much more efficient, private, autonomy. You don't need to rely on anything, and there's multiple use cases. It's not only for file sharing, it's not only for communication. We'll learn more about that in the workshop. We're building communication systems. We're building artificial intelligence. We're not going to talk about that much here, but I'm happy to, if any one of you want to know more about it, just come to me or my colleagues. We'll tell you about that. We're building applications for you, everything open source, so you guys see how peer-to-peer applications are built without the need of central infrastructure. So as I said, my colleagues and I are happy to help you, and just come up by our booth, try to find us, and yeah, have fun, everyone.
Now, silence, please. Thank you. Thank you so much for your words. Now, we want to introduce one of the leading companies building the most famous products and apps. Bending Spoons, welcome to the stage. No muy cerca de la boca.
Hello, everyone. Hope you're good. Hope you're hyped. Hope you're pumped. I know I definitely am. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Bending Spoons. I'm Alex. I'm a talent acquisition manager there. And hopefully, we can end this with you knowing a little bit what we do, which tends to be an issue. So, how do we start? It all started in 2013, where 5 students decided that they wanted to build a company in Copenhagen, but they didn't want to build it anywhere. 4 out of the 5 of them were Italian, and so they wanted to do it in Italy. And so they did. Now, 13 years later, we're no longer a little startup. We are more than 500, around 650 spooners now, which is actually a word that we use to call each other. We have served more than 1 billion users, and we have created more than $1.2 billion in revenue just in 2025. But what do we actually do? So we acquire digital businesses, and then we try to unlock their potential. What this actually means is that we scour the market looking for apps that may have a lot of potential, but are not really being developed to their full abilities. Maybe the user base is a bit tired, maybe they have been wanting to implement a bunch of features, but that has not been done. And so we acquire it and we try to make it better. These are some of the products that we have. You might recognize some of them, like Evernote, WeTransfer, Remini, if you're a more outdoorsy person, maybe even Komoot. And so through them, we've achieved quite decent numbers. So 300 million monthly active users and 10 million paying customers, including some pretty good companies. So how did we do this? The first thing is that we really trust our engineers to do the best work possible. They really know what we need. And so we tried to make things as efficient as possible. So this includes having in-house technologies from everything from A/B testing to even recruiting to pretty much anything that you can think of. We also process a lot of data. We try to make sure that all of the decisions that we make in the company are not just vibe-based, but we try to make sure that they're very much well justified and they have data behind them. And so, of course, also the people. These are just starting numbers, of course, but these are the people that actually make these things possible. And some awards that I will not brag about. So, what makes a good spooner? The point is that we try to trust these spooners and these employees to have the ability to make their own decisions, make their own impact, and be able to own the product that they work on. And so, of course, we must support them with a bunch of benefits. The company-wide retreats are my personal favorite, but you might find another one for you. And, of course, we know that we are very lucky, so we try to also give back to other people by completely offsetting our carbon emissions. We do forums every year to make sure what causes the actual employees want to donate to. And I'll be very quick, tell you a little bit about our challenge. So we have the efficiency multiplier. Basically, try to make people as efficient as possible, right? So any tool that can automate anything, any sort of AI assistant, just trying to implement what we do in our own in-house product technologies to anything that you can apply to. We'll go a little bit later on it in the challenge talks, but thank you very much. And hopefully you know a little bit about what we do now.
Parlareu els dos i us passareu al micro, us en dono dos.
Okay, so thank you so much, Vending Spoons. And now we will love to introduce a company that I'm pretty sure that most of you know, because it's really well known for the innovation and a lot of things that they are going to explain to you. Please welcome to the stage, HP.
Hello, good afternoon, good evening. It's fantastic to be here. I'm Eli Vives, the head of HP AI Innovation Hub. Yes, you know all of us about our products, hardware, PCs, computers, probably know about gaming, but I'm not here to talk about those. I'm here to talk to you about the HP AI Innovation Hub that we just launched last year in Sant Cugat. What we're doing is we have more than 300 engineers, innovators, and data scientists that are helping us to innovate in AI, to create real products, AI-powered devices that attach to our hardware and create our hardware much more powerful. So that's what the challenge is about. We are going to be putting a 3D printer device. You probably know about 3D printers. And we're going to be connecting the digital and physical world of the 3D devices. And for that, we're going to play a video. And let me introduce, before that, to Fran Marceno, right, who is the lead of the challenge and will be explaining a bit more.
Video. It always happens.
Sound, please. We need the sound, please.
Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It writes code, it generates images, it shapes how we work and how we think, and it's here to stay.
Francho, all yours.
I promise you we haven't used any AI to produce this video. And I'm pretty sure you won't use any AI to do your challenges, huh? But in this one you can. We designed this challenge so you can use as many AI as you want, because it's an open challenge in which we will evaluate the complexity you build. And actually, I introduce you this wonderful machine, the MetalJet S100 3D printer. It's a 3D metal printer that can print up to 2,000 cubic centimeters per hour of material. You can see some of our customers on the right. They're pretty cool. And your challenge is to build a world digitally and the printer existing on it. We want you to come to realize which aspects are going to impact the production. Is it going to be the humidity, the temperature, the number of jobs, and also non-deterministic aspects like how humans operate the machine. You know, some humans operate the machine with more roughness, moving the parts more, so it decays faster. Other humans might be more disciplined, keeping the maintenance cycles on time and making the life of the parts of the printer longer. The challenge is divided in 3 stages. The 2 first stages are actually mandatory, and the third one is optional. The second part of the challenge is to simulate the model that you have created of the printer on the first part. We want you to connect the different systems, the different global vectors that affect the printing process, and then I want to see a simulation over time so we can predict when and how this printer is going to fail. The printer you're going to create is a digital replica, a simplification of the physical world, all the vectors, all the aspects that affect, but only the important aspects so we can predict. Finally, as a bonus track, I want you to create a natural language interface. I want to speak with your program. This is the future of software engineering, which is changing all the interfacing that we used to with buttons and scrolls. I want to ask the printer, how are you doing? When are you going to break? And so that's it. I hope you all come for the later on briefing. I expect you all there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bueno, al final ho hem resolt. Thank you so much, HP, for your words. Please, a bit of silence. Thank you. Thank you, HP, again. And now I want to welcome to the stage a company leading, I'm not sure. Okay, a leading company in the textile field that also incorporate a lot of technology. Please welcome to the stage Inditex Tech.
Hola. Sí, sí.
Hi everyone, bona tarda a tothom, espero que esteu disfrutant també d'aquest event. We are really happy to be here once again this year, celebrating or participating in a new version of HackUPC. And we are here to introduce you in the Inditex Tech and also our new challenge. First of all, we want to show you who we are. We are a group that is behind all of these brands. We were born with Zara 50 years ago, and then we were creating and expanding our brands to cover new needs, and each of our brands have their own identity. Our motto is that we create emotions through image, design, and technology, because technology is a key point in our business. And then we want to introduce you a video that I don't know if the sound is going to work, but I will try. No, it's not working, the video. Can you just play the video? Please? That's perfect. Okay, I can continue without the video, it's okay. Okay, so we are a group of brands, as I mentioned before, and we are more than 1,000 teams working in tech, so we are a big company in tech as well. And we work with more than thousands of repositories, and we do millions of deploys per year. But the key point here is not the numbers, but the impact that we can have working with all of this. So that's the key point of all of this. Then we are going to introduce a video as well for the challenge, but I don't know if this is going to work. So we will be in the stand. So if you want to check the videos that we prepared for today, you'll be welcome there.
Okay, so it's nice and sunny outside, and you decide to stay here. So first of all, congratulations, right? Because that means that one day you will be changing the world. And why not start today? We have a real challenge that we have in our logistic distribution centers. As our colleague from Mechalux pointed out, there is a huge challenge to deliver thousands of boxes every day from our warehouses to all the shops. We do it twice a week to any shop around the world, worldwide, okay? And for that, we have an enormous infrastructure inside our warehouse, which is called a silo, which is full of boxes that need to be prepared and sent to the shops every day, right? And now, go on. That's the challenge, how we hack this flow, right? It's not just how we put the boxes inside, but how we take them out to send them efficiently to all the shops around the world, right? We will be commenting more details about the challenge afterwards. There was a little video here. You can watch it at 11:30 if you were there, okay? Are you brave enough to help us with this task? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Me he olvidado. Me he olvidado. Tranquila.
Please, guys, we need some silence in order to continue. Oh, okay, thank you so much. And now to continue with, we're going to introduce you with one company that I'm pretty sure that most of you know about them. They are really well known. So now, please welcome to the stage, Qualcomm.
Hi, everyone. So I'm Wafa. I'm a system integration wireless engineer at Qualcomm, and I'm sure you know Qualcomm from their chipset design and wireless technologies, but I'm here to talk about the innovation core drive that we have. And under this drive, we have this university relation program in which we work hand in hand with academia. We sponsor academia. We work with researchers. We sponsor conferences, and we also have several tracks under which researchers can work with us. So it can go from direct engagement with faculty or basically student fellowship. And well, about 2 years ago, we got started on this initiative of building the developers program. So we started sharing our platforms with the universities so that students can have like hands-on experience with the platform. And under which comes this our participation in HackUPC. And I will let my colleague Leonardo from Arduino to present the challenge. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, hello everyone, good evening. My name is Leonardo. How many in this room know what is Arduino? Raise your hand. Ah, well, fantastic. No need to explain what is Arduino. So my presentation will be a little bit different because I'm an engineer. I'm a software engineer. I don't like corporate presentation. I don't like video. I prefer to start from the challenge. Okay. Arduino is a company inside the Qualcomm group, along with the HackUPC and other cool companies. So today I would like to present you the Edge AI challenge, so the physical Edge AI challenge for a greener Barcelona. So Barcelona is the city of the innovation, but is facing new challenges. New challenges about heat wave. We need to have a more cleaner and resilient Barcelona. So what I asked to students, to hackers, to build a urban resilient Barcelona using Qualcomm technology. Okay, so Barcelona needs your solution, and we have identified four problems, four issues. Heat wave protection. So how can we protect our citizens from heat wave in public squares? Water scarcity. How can we reduce water leaks? Urban and coast cleanliness. So keep our street and coast cleaner. And last but not least, biodiversity. So monitoring the biodiversity, our local ecosystem. What I asked him, what I'm requiring is not to build something that monitor. I would like to see the hackers build some practical and impactful solution that address Barcelona urban resilience. So I want to see Edge AI system that not only monitor, but act to improve the quality of the life in Barcelona. But how to do this? With the Edge AI kit from Arduino. How many of you do you know what is this board? Do you know the Arduino Uno? Have you ever used Arduino Uno in your life? Wow, fantastic. This is the latest Arduino Uno, the Uno Q, with a Qualcomm processor, with a powerful processor. This is the brain of the kit. In your kit, so grab your kit and you will find the brain. You will find the camera. So with the camera you can see and hear the environment. You will have some sensors, some sense of temperature, humidity, pressure to sense the environment. Last but not least, you will have tools. So Arduino IDE, Arduino software to build your solution easy and quickly. And HackUPC, it's a software to develop Edge AI application on edge device. Okay, last but not least, the rules. We want to see your code, your vibe code. We want to see your documentation. So your vibe documentation on Arduino Project Hub. And last but not least, the submission. So it's important to cover all the three steps for the submission. Okay, last but not least, scan here for the full info guide. I'm here if you have questions. Thank you. Grazie.
Happy hacking.
All right, please. A bit of silence, hackers, please. Thank you for this silence. Also, please keep this silence while the sponsors are talking. It is really important. It will make the event go faster, so just please be respectful. Thank you so much for your speech. And now we want to welcome to the stage Smadex, which is a company specialized in data-driven mobile advertising solutions. Big round of applause.
Gracias. Hello, I'm Edra, CTO of Smadex, and probably you don't know what Smadex is, but we are an ad tech. Ad tech, we are the annoying guys that are showing you ads every time that you are playing games, browsing the internet, or watching a show. But the important thing that we are doing is the technology that is behind. We have to build an amazing technology to run all these ads that we are doing. So I will focus only on the amazing things that we are building so you realize the impact that we have. First of all, we are running more than 6 million ads per second. Can you imagine? Let this thought sink in. It's like 3 seconds, we already processed 20 million requests. It's crazy, you know? I have here some numbers from other companies. It's not a fair comparison. They are very different companies. But just for you to understand that we are way above average from other companies. Also, we have to reply in less than 100 milliseconds. Every time that you're blinking now, you take 4 times more that our servers spend replying to the requests. So it's amazing what we have to build, the technology that we have to build. It needs a lot of performance to be able to match that. We are around the world. We are in many regions. We're in multiple clouds, trying to get the best hardware and the best cost that we can get. Important, let me stop here because we are engineers. The company was based with a tech approach. I think that more than 50% of our guys are from the UPC. I myself, I'm the CTO, and I studied at the FIP. So we are very proud to say that this is a Barcelona company, and this is also a UPC company. And we love real-world first-class problems. If you have passion for technology, this is your company. We are hiring. We are trying to grow even more. We doubled our revenue this year, and we want to make more and more and more. More stuff for you to know. The data, it's crazy, the amount of data that we have to process, more than 25 terabytes per hour. I think that this data is from December. We probably are doubling this now. And the important thing, we can generate tons of data, but if we are not able to learn from it and process it, it's useless. That's why we have not only our amazing tech team, but also our amazing machine learning team. Together, we're building an amazing technology that is allowing us to learn and make our platform smarter every day. And just for this, another thing, because what you see as risk, and other people think about something stressful, I want to show what we love about it. Imagine that you have to decide about an ad, if you want to show an ad in less than 100 milliseconds, if you want to participate, and how much money are you willing to pay for it, okay? It's like this. It's like a classical bit, but the thing is that we are running it millions of times per second. So it sounds tough, right? Imagine that I did a release in production before coming to this event, and in the last 3 minutes, we have been processing like 1 billion ads. It's what we have spent in the past 3 minutes. If I did my release wrong, do you know what it means? We lost 32 million. So for you to understand, it's something that probably can kill a company really, really fast. But this is not for us. We have the passion of technology. We love these kind of problems. And we want to get the best talent that we can get from you from here, guys. So please, if you are searching for a place to grow, learn, and excel, Smadex is the place. I hope to see you later in the challenge. Thank you.
Please, guys, in order to continue with the opening, we have to be quiet, yeah. So thank you so much, Smadex. And now, please welcome to the stage the founders of many, many, many IDE tools and development tools and AI stuff. They're going to explain to you really well. So please welcome to the stage JetBrains.
Hello, everyone. It's so cool to see you all. And before I start, I would like to say great, big congratulations to organizers. It's a great event, so I really appreciate it, what you do. So, I'm Ernest. Nice to meet you all. I'm intern at Kotlin Multiplatform Tooling team, and I'm student developer advocate, so I'm probably your age. And if I wouldn't be here, I would be hacking with you. I know it's so cool to hack, so we as JetBrains, we create IDEs, which you can use, by the way, during the hackathon. So we create IntelliJ, PyCharm, CLion, maybe you know them. We also create Kotlin, the programming language, the best programming language, of course. How to try them? Basically, you probably know that, but you can claim your educational licenses. It's for students and teachers, and as long as you study or teach at academia, you can use them for free for non-commercial use. You can claim them via your official school email or GitHub developer account. So some exciting news, because you probably don't know that, but right now, if you look at this map, which, oh, maybe you can see this world map, it's this white star, it's our Madrid office, it's star in our crown of offices, because it's in Spain, and Spain is beautiful. So we have office from April, and you can now work in Spain, in Madrid, or remotely, but you can also work in all of those countries right here. So Serbia and UK also included, guys. And at JetBrains Spain, we have around 70 positions open, full-time, and internships. So I'm going to tell you about later. And we launched in April, so it's fresh. So we're now hiring. OK, quickly about our hackathon case. So as you know, we help the developers. So please help the developer, help yourself. And the thing is, you can take part in our challenge. It can be any developer productivity tool. And you can use it for developing your project into any other challenge. So right now we're using agents. Maybe you can do some agent tools. I don't know. And quickly about internships. Right now, we have just opened round of internships. It is paid. It's 3 to 6 months, full-time or part-time, whatever you prefer. It's flexible schedule. So if you want to learn more about them, come to our booth, join our channel on Slack. You just have to type JetBrains at the top bar and join our channel. There is a video how to get to our booth. We have some nice prizes for you. We have quiz. We have nice swag. We can talk about internships. And we have some nice prizes for the hackathon, which I cannot tell you yet about. It's going to be announced tomorrow, of course. So thank you for your attention. Great hacks, everyone, and see you at the booth.
Thank you so much, JetBrains. Next up, we would like to welcome to the stage a company helping millions of travelers around the world find the cheapest flights. Welcome, Skyscanner.
Hello, hello. I hope here you people use a Skyscanner to come to Barcelona around the world. Who uses Skyscanner to come here? Oh, wow. That sounds good. So yeah, we are Skyscanner. You know us in Europe. We're trying to expand in the US as well. We're rising now in India. So how many users we have per month? Hundreds of millions unique users per month. But that means we have recurrent user every month. That can be multiple sessions. So right now, on average, we have 5,000 requests per second. That's a search per second. But for example, in January, after Christmas, everyone's planning their vacation, so we have around 10,000. We reach 1 billion in a year searches. So you'll say, where are we located? We're actually located in 9 offices, sorry. We don't have India there. We don't have yet the picture. But we are across engineering. We're in Barcelona, in Edinburgh, in Glasgow, in London, and in Shenzhen in China. So you want to know, what's the challenge? It's using AI, of course, and it's following something byte-based. As you can see the picture there, which is a prompt. But prompting is easy, right? Ideas are the most complex thing to get to. So our challenge is, let's solve how to get ideas. You better improve your experience traveling, where to go, find the cheapest solution. But for that, you can use any tool. For example, now my job, I've been almost 2 years. When I started, it was like, choose this variable name, learn how to code this better. But now, I'm using Claude all the time. It's how it is. Our crafts have changed. So now this is the future. I would like you to code and work in the way that companies are moving to. So if you have any doubt, these are the mentors. They didn't pass away, okay, because it looks like with those pictures. But we are here to help you. If you have any questions or doubt, just let us know. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so now coming next, one of the companies that are building the future of aviation. Please come to the stage, Airbus. Pues está.
Hola. So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Edward from Airbus, and from everyone coming from abroad, I hope you had a good flight. I'm a bit of a disappointment now because I have to tell you that this year we don't have any challenge in the hackathon, but we're really thrilled to be here sponsoring HackUPC and also being mentors if you want to talk with us. But what I can announce you is that tomorrow we will have a company talk, not talking about the challenge, but we'll talk about what we do here in our office in Barcelona. We are Airbus, maybe you know them by the planes, but in Barcelona we work in the space industry. So if you are thrilled about satellites, stratosphere, data, imagery from the space, you can come to hear what we do here in Barcelona and maybe in the future apply and join our company. So that's all. Have fun, bring innovative ideas, have a good hack here, and see you later. Bye.
Thank you so much for your words, Airbus. Now, we do want to thank a company that couldn't make it today, but it's HackUPC. They have helped us for a lot of years already, so we're really thankful for their unconditional help. Next up.
And of course, aside from our sponsors, thank you so much all for coming. We would love to introduce you our partners. So to start with us every year, we're collaborating along the CEFIS and Donasco IMSS that are always helping us as HackUPC. Everything related to collaborating, everything that they can provide it to us. So
now, let's tone down a bit this excitement. We want to thank our food sponsors. We do have Incapto for coffee, Churreria Calmanolo for churros, and Domino's Pizza for tomorrow's dinner.
Wait, so guys, as you may know, we also have a cafeteria. We're going to explain it later to you, everything that you need to know about them, but now you can see all of our amazing partners of this year's cafeteria. We have Chupa Chups, Nestlé, Club Mate, Nissin, Dime, Granini, and Caprice. And we will really love to thank a lot Mazolive Distribution, Mazolive, some of you may know it, because they have really helped us this year with everything.
Now, we know that you work very hard on the weekend and you need to be compensated for it. We're going to reveal only the prices for HackUPC judging, but I want to tell first that you will get a trophy. There's 3 places you can win, but there is also a prize for each place. So please, can we get a drum roll for first prize? Lego, I'm sorry, I did a spoiler. Next up, we're going to have a second prize, which is going to be this is the problem of the life, guys. I'm so sorry for the spoiler. The second prize is going to be a portable screen from Asus. And then the first prize, you will not guess what it is. It's a DJI Leo drone.
And of course, in order to do the sponsors of the challenges of these sponsors or whatever challenge you want to work with, you can check myhackupc.com and you can check our complete hardware lab list. We have lots of things that I'm pretty sure that most of you are going to be really interested about it. So if you want to check something and maybe make a reservation, after knowing the challenges, you can make a reservation.
Next up, we do have some activities prepared for you. We don't want you coding the whole weekend if you don't want to. So we really recommend you to complete the mission.
You have a mission. Enjoy HackUPC. Join the cool activities we've prepared, like the Nerf gun battle, and complete the card to get rewards. Go to the info desk to get your prizes, stickers, keychains, t-shirts, or even a personalized rubber duck.
As you can see, some of the unmentioned activities are dodgeball, the photo call, cup stacking, wiki race. You can see all of them on our live page, and they will be announced through Slack, so don't worry, you're not going to miss them.
So aside from that, if you're coming here alone and because you're a traveler, you don't have a team, for whatever reason, we don't care. Like, we don't mind, sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do that again. Us, as organizers, we really mind if you don't have a team, and we want to help you with that. So today, Friday, we are going to do an activity that is the team building. You're able to attend at 9:30 if you don't have a team, and organizers will be really thrilled to help you to have a team because we really care.
Are you a free soul or a team that is looking for more members? Don't worry. Go to our team building activity to find your new teammates.
And now, as some of the sponsors mentioned already, you are going to see some challenge talks that we recommend attending. They will be held by all of these sponsors, so please check Slack to know more information about the hour, the classroom that they held on, because you really shouldn't miss them.
And of course, as you may know, if you have looked through Slack, you can already join the channels of each sponsor challenge. But aside from our challenge, most of the companies, or some of them, are doing workshops which are really interesting, and they are going to be held tomorrow morning. But all of the information that we're going to say right now, you can all find it in the live page, okay? Everything is there, so you don't have to worry about it if you don't remember it after the opening ceremony. And the workshops are going to be presented with these amazing companies.
This is the Wi-Fi user and password. You don't have to worry. We're going to also send it on Slack. It's also going to be on the live page. So you're good to go. Don't worry.
And of course, as you may already know through our partners, we have two cafeterias. The first one is going to be held in the A5 building, and it's going to be beverages, it's going to be food, there's going to be everything. And in the A6, you're going to be able to find in the porch, where the meals are going to be held, all of the cafes and things that you need. And by the way, there's fountains through the whole building, so if you need water, just go through the fountain, and it's a really nice water, so don't worry about it.
Every year we try to reduce the waste that HackUPC generates as much as possible. This year we have our water bottles and compostable cutlery and plates. To not lose your bottle, put your name on it with the sticker we will provide you. You will find water fountains and dispenser in every floor to fill your bottle at any time. Remember that it's important to be hydrated. Everything we will give you is compostable, so after each meal, you can throw everything in the organic bin. If you have a can or a plastic bottle, it goes to the plastic bin. Everything else, throw it on the waste.
Guys, this is a serious topic. It is a recommendation near to obligation to use some of these lots of the showers options. We're going to be coding in classes that are very crowded for a lot of hours. It's okay, the shower is free. You can find it on the map how to go there. And you can shower as many times in these lots as you want. So you can shower 3 times in the whole weekend, which is completely okay and healthy. These are the showers in the campus.
And of course, I'm pretty sure that most of you already know it because you maybe have seen it, but we are doing a photo call. It's really beautiful. I want to say something. There's a throne in there. So please, please, please be really careful that you don't break it. So all of the hackers are able to take a photograph with it. And it's going to be held in the A4 port. I'm pretty sure that most of you have already seen it. So please take pictures on it, and it's going to be a really nice picture.
Great. So as per the rooms you're going to be using for hacking, you're going to have 2 buildings where the first and second floor are full of classes you can use to be hacking in, and then also only the second floor of the A4 building. These are the 3 buildings I'm mentioning.
And of course, as you may already know, we have a sleeping area. Right now you cannot enter, but it's going to be in the A3 building. And we're going to explain a few rules to you that I hope that they are like pretty clear. So first of all, moving the mattresses are completely prohibited. So you cannot take the mattress and put it, I don't know, in the cafeteria. Guys, that is not permitted, please. Also, the numbers of mattresses that we have are limited. I'm pretty sure that you already know that. So please, please, please use a maximum of 1 mattress per person.
Also, you really love to eat. We have seen that already with your excitement about the cafeteria. The meals area is outside the A6 and A5 buildings on the porch. It's very easy to find. There will be a long line waiting for you, I'm sure.
For each meal, it's really important that you have your QR code with you. Without it, you will not be able to eat. Also, we strongly recommend to not stay in line for hours. You can come later if the queue is long. But if it's sunny, don't forget your hat to not have a heat stroke.
It is mandatory to wear your bracelet on your wrist at all times. Otherwise, security might escort you outside of the venue. If you have any problem regarding the wristband, please come to the info desk and we will solve it for you, but do not take it off.
Yeah. And speaking of the info desk, many of you already know it because of the baguette, but it's in the same place. So if you need anything, if you have any question regarding the hackathon, maybe some issue with a hacker, if you have any question, you can go to baguette or info desk, and we're going to be really happy to help you. And it's in the A5 entrance.
Yes. After, we have also mentioned a lot the live page. This page, which is linked here and also in the QR code, is the page that has all the information you might need regarding activities, meals, the timetable. Please, before making any question, check if it's already answered in there, because it probably will be. Afterwards, also, please make sure you're checking the announcements challenge channel on Slack. Because we're going to be announcing every information that is important on there. Also, like, this meal is open. You can start to go to the shower. You can get your lunch now. You need to be informed, and the live page cannot be updated. So please check Slack very often.
And aside of that, of course, we love social media. So please, for all of you that love to know everything that is happening online, make sure that you're following us on HackUPC. And of course, if you're posting stories, you can tag us. And if you're posting posts, carousels, whatever you're posting, please use the hashtag HackUPC2026.
The hacking time you're going to have this weekend is a total of 36 hours. This starts from today at 9 p.m. until Sunday at 9 a.m. Please don't start at the last minute to submit the project on DevPost. You might find some issues and you will not have time to solve them, so start like an hour or half an hour before.
And of course, if you need any help, aside from the people of the challenges, the sponsors, we have our own mentors in HackUPC. So if you go to Slack, there's the channel mentor, and if you need any help from them, you can send them a message. You have their registration here, like you can ping them in Slack. They're going to answer as quick as they can, or otherwise, if they are not answering, you can go to the mentors lobby.
For the judging, after submitting your project on Sunday, you're going to do a judging demo. This has to be done twice, once for HackUPC at the A3 building, and once for the sponsors, a specific challenge you've chosen, on the A4 building. You need to demo twice to HackUPC to be able to be eligible to their prices of HackUPC, and then also the travel reimbursement for the ones who are coming from abroad, and then to the sponsors to be eligible for their prices. You need to demo twice.
And I'm going to explain to you a few of the rules. The thing that you have to do in order to post your project, first of all, you have to post it on DevPost. If you need any help with that, you can ask the mentors. And then you have to check Slack. There's going to be a judging channel. Right now, you're not going to be able to find it. It's going to be open on Sunday. And after that, when you know the hour that you're supposed to present the project to the HackUPC judges, you have to demo your project to sponsors in the meantime. And also, there's some basic rules to remember. First of all, if we haven't said that, demo twice, and then there's no slides allowed, okay, guys? So please just show the judges your project, your everything, whatever you want to, but please do not use slides. And it's a maximum of 3 minutes. And also, only one project per team. The thing about this, I really want to make it clear in this opening ceremony. As a team, you can do one project, okay? And this same project, you can present it to different sponsors, but it has to be the same project. Is this clear to everyone? I hope so. Let's continue. You have to pack your things before the closing ceremony. This is really important. And also, you have to demo twice. I'm sorry. Maria, have we already told the hackers that they need to demo twice? I'm not sure.
Also, we do have a strict code of conduct. Please, if you want to check it out, it's on our website. The short version is, obviously, be nice to each other and respect it. This is a beautiful community. Let's not ruin this weekend.
I'm pretty sure that a lot of you have looked through Slack and you have found a channel that is called The Game, and someone has said, you lost the game. It's not about that, and we've already told you. So the thing is that during HackUPC, you can do a CTF and you can follow it. If it's not your first time, you already know it. If it's your first time, now you know it. So it's going to start today, well, technically it's tomorrow, at 1:01 a.m. So if you want to participate, I really, really do encourage you because they are really fun.
Next up, please welcome our partner, Major League Hacking. So this is going to be it.
Hello everyone, it's lovely to be here with you for HackUPC. My name's Oscar and I'm a coach for Major League Hacking. We also have Quinn and Erin with us, who are over there. I want to wave, there we go. I'm going to be explaining a lot of things to you now, but everything you'll need will be at that link, mlh.link/HackUPC. So that'll be all of the resources, prizes, and events we'll be running this weekend. But what is Major League Hacking? Well, we are the global hacker community, and we support events like this one across Europe and in North America and also APAC. Just by being at this event, you've joined over 1.3 million hackers just like you. It's a wonderful growing community of hackathons, and it's so wonderful to be a part of it. But what are we going to do this weekend? Well, we have a hardware lab, so if you come find us on the top floor, so the second floor in A6, you can check out some hardware, like some Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, we have some sensors and some components, so come talk to us about that. We've also got an intro to Google AI Studio workshop happening at 10 a.m. In A5002, where we'll be going through how to quickly grab a key and work with AI, and you can work with the new and latest Gemma model with that. I'll talk about that later. Please do come to that workshop. We're going to be giving out our 2026 season mascot tees. These are exclusive, and they will run out. So please do come to the workshop, and we'll give you one of those shirts. Very, very cool. I'm super excited to see it. This is an event. I haven't seen an event in a while. We have lots of cool resources and prizes. So first of all, best use of Gemma 4. This is exclusive for this weekend. Google has just released their latest Gemma model. So this is an open weights model. We'd love to see you use it in a creative way this weekend and win some great Google swag kits. Next, we've got best use of Solana. Solana is a global, ultra-fast backend provider of really great resources. Use Solana this weekend to create stuff like pay-to-use or pay-per-use APIs. You can create shared leaderboards for your apps. It's a really cool tool. Come talk to us about it. Again, we're at the top floor of A6. Next, give your vision a voice. Best use of 11 Labs. So these are conversational AI agents. If you want an AI agent that doesn't just say things at you, you can converse with it in a human-like way. Use 11 Labs, and we've got some great getting started resources. Again, come find us. Next, we've got best use of MongoDB Atlas. If you want to use a database this weekend and you want it to be quick and easy to get started, use MongoDB Atlas. No credit card required. And we've got some prizes for that as well. And lastly, best domain name from the GoDaddy registry. We've got a code for you, and you can claim your free domain name. We're going to give the best domain name a prize, but please do make use of this and use it within your hack. It's a really cool resource, a free domain name. You need to see those again. Those are on DevPost, but as I said, mlh.link/HackUPC will also get you all of those pieces of information again. Make sure to show off your hack this weekend. No matter what you see, I'd love to see what you make, and you're going to earn yourself one of these exclusive iDemo stickers. Really cool. But it would not be fair if you were the only one who had to demo. So let me demo for you now. We've got a quick video, if it works. There we go. So here we are in VS Code. I've got the root code extension up, and I'm using Gemini to make a quick prototype of my app. I'm going to go back and have that actually play. Oh. There we go. OK, technical difficulties, but there always is with demos, even when you're playing a video. But no, here we go. So in VS Code, we've got ngrok running an app. We're going to create a quick chatbot. This is going to use Gemma 4, just like the challenge we've got for you this weekend. As you can see, it's thinking about what it's doing. It's creating the virtual environment right now. So it's sort of stuff we can do as developers, but it takes a little bit of a time at the start of your project, and so you can get started with it really quickly. As you can see, it's using my Gemini API key. You can snag one of those from AI Studio. I'll talk about that more in the workshop at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And it's creating its front end and its back end, and we'll be able to run this fast application and use it locally and talk directly with Gemma through the Google API. So this is going to get up here. What is a hackathon? And it's going to be able to answer that question using Gemma 4. Immediately, we've been able to prototype a project in Gemini that we can then work from to build what we like. As you can see, Gemma's quite good at talking about why it's saying things, so it gives you all the context there. Next, we're going to put this onto ngrok so you can get and go work with Gemma. You can talk to Gemma directly from where you're sat. From my laptop, we're running at mlh.link/HUPC-demo, and we can talk to the Gemma chatbot from there. So try out that demo. That's just immediately been gotten working using Gemini. Yeah, so please come talk to us at 10 a.m. tomorrow is the workshop. But on a serious note, MLH hackathons are a safe space for everybody. Just by being at this event, you have agreed to the code of conduct, and that applies to hackers, volunteers, organizers, sponsors. But as the Marias were saying, we want hackathons to be a safe space for everyone. It's a wonderful community. If you ever feel uncomfortable, please come and find me. If for whatever reason you can't come and find me, we've got 3 MLHs here, so Quinn or Aaron are around. Or we've got the email and the phone number. So please do contact those. We'll get those slides up for you so you can do that. I'd like to quickly thank our partners and say thank you so much for being at HackUPC. It's wonderful to be here with you all, and happy hacking.
So before we all go, we want to tell you, as a part of all of the HackUPC organizing team, please, guys, have fun. Enjoy being here, participate in the activities, meet all of the sponsors, eat all of our food. So please, guys, enjoy these hackathons because we hope that you really enjoyed it as much as we have enjoyed it organizing it this year. So remember, dream it, hack it, and ship it. Thank you so much.